Listen, get help. You don't need an MBA for sure, but you do need a basic understanding of cash flow, inventory management, and profitability. You need that. Get support, and sooner rather than later. Don't try to figure it out all alone. A fresh set of experienced eyes will save you so much time, so much money, and so much stress. Hello there. Welcome to the Richer Retailer Podcast. I am doing a little something different today. We're still going to talk about tactics and tips for you to blow past seven figures, for you to do what you need to do to get to the success that you've dreamed of. Every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Central Time, I do a 10-minute live called 10 at 10 on Tuesday. Makes sense, right? It's in our Richer Retailer Facebook group. I'll put the link below. Come join us over there. It's a great active group of retailers just like you. No whiners, no complainers. People who just want to grow, who want to create a legacy, who want to become richer in every sense of the word. It's a beautiful group. So I answer a question that people send in. So let me read to you Allie's question. Allie sent in and said, everyone tells me how amazing the store is. Most people buy, most people come back. I'm learning and getting better and better with what sells and keeping it fresh. But I have no business education or experience, and I'm afraid it could ruin my chances of success. I haven't paid taxes. I don't know how much I spent last year. How should I move forward while this is my weakness? Learn or hire someone? All right. This was such a great question. I wanted to share it with you. I want to start out by acknowledging that, Ellie, it's so amazing that you're paying attention to what's working in your store, what's selling, what's bringing customers back in. That's clearly your zone of genius. Yay, you. That is what you know. But the most impressive thing here is that you know what you don't know. So many people never reach that level. Never, Allie, never. I hear your worry, and I get it. It's valid. Running a store isn't just about great products and a great experience and customers coming in. It's also about running a great business behind the scenes. And you know what you don't know. And girl, your instincts are right on. You have to address those numbers now, or you will lose your store. You've worked so hard to create that community. People are loving it. You're changing lives. You're impacting people every single day. But I tell you that passion and compliments don't pay the bills. You have to pay attention to your numbers and the business side. There's two things to do: outsource and get help so that you can stay in your happy zone of genius, doing what it is that you know you do best. So starting out with taxes and bookkeeping, that's something we always recommend you outsource. You don't know it, and it's not a good return of investment on your time and your energy for you to be doing bookkeeping tasks. It's not. We offer retail bookkeeping for store owners for precisely this reason. Listen, get help. You don't need an MBA for sure, but you do need a basic understanding of cash flow, inventory management, and profitability. You need that. Get support, and sooner rather than later. Don't try to figure it out all alone. A fresh set of experienced eyes will save you so much time, so much money, and so much stress. Let me give you an example. Imagine a picture frame. If you're holding the frame because you're in the picture, you can't see the picture. You can't. And that's what a coach and a consultant can do for you. When they can see the picture, they can see what needs to be changed. It's the reason why brain surgeons don't do brain surgery on themselves. This is what we do. We are experts at helping retailers, store owners like you, become richer in every sense of the word. Leveling up and getting a one-on-one coach is what turned it all around for me personally and allowed me to scale my business and create a legacy. And our one-on-one coaching and consulting program is like nothing else out there. There is nothing like what we do. The accountability we get, the focus, and the clarity that our clients get, I'm so proud of it. The results we get are that good. And if you'd prefer, we also have an excellent group coaching program too that helps you build these foundational. I'll share more about it in the show notes below. No matter what you do, get help. If it's us or someone else, get help. Bottom line is, don't let what you don't know hold you back. This is true for all of you. Every successful retailer had to learn the business side at one point or another. The key is not to ignore it. The biggest takeaway for you is this: the reason stores fail is from ignoring their numbers because they run out of cash. And the second reason is from trying to solve problems they were never trained to solve. So outsource and get a coach. All professionals do. And that's what you are, a pro. Thanks so much for sharing, Ellie. You have helped so many who weren't brave enough or couldn't articulate their fears. I'm so grateful for you for standing up and sharing. Then stay in your zone of genius. Stay in doing what you know that you know. What you know you do best. That is a crucial first step to success. Listen, if you want more information on how to join us, check out the link below in our show notes where we have a free training that breaks down the method we use in our program and what our philosophy is. Or if you know you're already ready to work with us, the link to our application is in the show notes too. So check it out. Share this with another store owner you know needs some encouragement. That's what this is. You are not expected to know everything. Just know what you don't know. Outsource and get a coach. Thanks very much. Know that you are astonishingly fabulous and you are loved. Happy retailing.